are whole bodies is covered with skin wet
we
touched
very good.
and filled with our hands and fingers.
Very good.
Our skin can feel many stings.
Very good.
It can feel hot stings. It can feel cold stings. It can feel soft and hard
Objects.
It can feel
Smooth.
stings.
Very good.
It can buzz
Also
feel rough
things.
things.
Very good. Galing ah.